Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Commitment Issues. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is General Skills. The task is to find the flag by using Git. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, so let's read through the description. I accidentally wrote the flag down. Good thing I deleted it. You can download the challenge files here. And as you can see, it's a Git related challenge. Here we have the challenge.zip file, so let's copy the link. And let's download the file by using wget. And let's unzip it. And we see that we got a folder called drop-in. So let's go into that one. And what do we have here? We have a .git folder indicating that this is a Git repo. And we also have a file called message.txt. So let's have a look at that one. Top secret. Okay. Let's look at Git status. So we're on the branch master and nothing to commit. Working tree clean. Okay, let's have a look at the Git log then. And here we see that we have 2 commits to this Git repository. The last one here says remove sensitive info, and the one before says create flag. So I guess we want to go back in the Git history to this commit and have a look there. So let's check out this commit. And we see here that we have now switched to this commit. Let's have a new look here. We still have the message.txt file. I think it has a slightly different size. Here it's 27 bytes. And up here, it was just 11 bytes. Let's have a look at the file. Here we have a flag, picoCTF, sanitize. So let's copy the flag and head back over to Chrome and submit the flag. Hooray, we solved the challenge. And to wrap this up, it is not uncommon for developers to accidentally check in different kinds of secrets in Git repositories when doing development. So this is not an unrealistic scenario that you can find secret information which shouldn't be there in a Git repo. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.